The 2003 911 Carrera. Every element fulfills a function. From this principle, the 911 draws its inner strength. The logical consequence of this is the 911 Carrera's very low drag coefficient of 0.29 and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, passenger airbag, CD player, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.